Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm She's Pretty Red. Welcome to my channel, you guys. So you guys, today we are going to go get my first ever ECV, and I'm not sure how this is going to go because like I said, this is my first time ever getting this done, y'all, out of all 9 of my children. So with that being said, you guys come along with us as we go get this done. Say hey babe. Go baby over there. So going to the gas station and then we're on our way to the hospital. Girl can't eat anything, y'all. I'm so hungry. I want some water so bad, but yeah. So I just wanted to come give you guys an update, let you guys know what we're doing today. Then I'll come back and talk to you guys a little later. Peace. All right, you guys, so I'm finally here. We're here. Babe had to go park the car really far, but just wanted to come let you guys know that I made it to the hospital and I'm just sitting here waiting. Walking all that far that he had to walk. He's back. Y'all, he had to park far. I was like, babe, call the shuttle, and he didn't. So I said, don't be running. So yeah, we just waiting for the nurse to come get me to take me back. Y'all, comment below if you had a ECV and how did yours feel. Did it hurt? By the time y'all answer this, I'm pretty sure I'm going to already know. So we can talk about it in the comments. All right, y'all. You know I'm scornful. Husband. Check. Yeah, here's the bathroom. Have to pee that cup, but y'all tell me if I'm crazy, but is that blood? Ooh. This is a shared bathroom, y'all. I'm so scornful. Oh my goodness. Ew. All right. Hey, baby. Come on, get my gown, daddy. Fine. All right, y'all. So I made it to the bed, and I'm here.
Compare plans that cover your doctors, your prescriptions,
I'm just waiting for it to come get put on this monitor.
To newer plans and compare them side by side because eHealth carries plans from the nation's top insurance companies. They pay us to help you find a match. That's how.
All right, y'all. So I had to take my piercings out. Nose ring, earrings, everything is off. I got Avies, everything. Yeah, my hand hurts so bad. I got stuck on top of my hand, if y'all can see it, but ooh. Burn, real bad, baby, right there. Just got finished eating. Yeah. Y'all, my hair look crazy. But the ECV was successful. Baby boy is head down. Let's pray that he stays head down, you guys. Right now I'm sitting in a chair. I'm trying to get my legs from being numb or whatever. But yeah, everything was a success. So hopefully I should be getting discharged in just a little bit. Then I can go home, get me some food, and then get in my bed because I just want to lay down. And yeah, I just wanted to come and update you guys. Husband is obviously over here. Say hey, babe. So yeah, you guys, husband just helped me to the bathroom, helped me back to my chair. So I'm back over here sitting now. And yeah, just waiting for my nurse to hopefully come back and get my discharge paper so I can go. So I'll talk to you guys more about it once I'm home.
1 hour later. 2 hours later. 3 hours later.
Alright, you guys, so I just wanted to come and talk to you guys about my ECV. I thought I would be home by now. It's literally 10 o'clock, you guys, and I'm still here. I have been contracting probably every 5 minutes, but my cervix has not changed. So I should be going home. Baby did have a dip in his heart, so they wanted to keep me for a little while to, you know, make sure everything was good with him. So everything is fine. So I just wanted to come and tell you guys, like I said, about my ECV. So first thing first, you guys, they started me on fluids, and then I got 2 IVs in my arm, you guys. See, I had to sit for maybe an hour or two once I came, because the time they originally told me to come, they never told me to come any time earlier than that. So I had to wait for a little while. But once I got in the back, they prepped me like they was going to prep for a C-section. If you had a C-section, then you already know what protocol is. You get so I think they gave me like a spinal like epidural thingy in my back, and it numbed me from my waist down. Once they did that, they laid me back on my right side, flipped me to my back, and then turned me to my left so the medication can be dispersed all over my body. Then once they did that, you guys, they waited for the oil to come so they can have to use on my belly, and then they began to try to turn Baby Legend, and like I told you guys earlier, it was successful. So yes, it was successful. So now what they're going to be doing, you guys, is scheduling me for a C-section, which I'm not, fingers crossed that baby does not turn back. So we're not claiming that. So they're going to schedule me for a C-section, because he said that it is hard to get in for a C-section, just in case they bring me back in and baby did flip, you know. So but we're going to hope for a vaginal delivery. So yeah, you guys, that is the plan as of right now. I just wanted to come and tell you guys my experience from my ECV. My belly is really sore, you guys. I feel like I've been punch kicked and all the above in my stomach. And like I said, I am contracting, so that's one thing. My legs and my stomach and everything is not numb anymore, thank goodness. Finally am able to walk and move my toes and all the things, use the restroom and things like that. So now I'm just waiting for the nurse to come with my discharge papers, so she can take this IV out of my arm, and then I can put my clothes on. But that is all. I'm gonna show you guys what my script look like and baby's heart rate as of right now. And yeah, y'all, so let me show you guys that. All right, you guys, so that is baby's heart rate. This is what my script is looking like. As you guys can see, like I said, I've been having contractions. So yeah, you guys. Alright, you guys, so I just wanted to show you guys my little script, baby heart rate, his heartbeat. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am going home so I can get in my bed and lay down because I'm tired, and then I'm going to get something to eat because I have not had anything to eat since yesterday at 10 last night. So, and it's 10 tonight. So your girl is starving like Marvin, and I did have some Pepsi finally, because I was able to have something to drink and some water, because like I told y'all before, I was so thirsty. But yeah, that's it, and that's all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love y'all, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.